Hey, this is Dave at Custom Dynamics. Today I'm going to show you some LED replacements for the stock latches, and I'm going to show you some options that we have over here on our stock saddlebag. Okay, so here is the factory latch with the reflector on it. We offer two different versions to replace this. So here is the LED version only. So if you have a custom latch on here and you really want to keep the look of that, this would probably be the option you want to go with. A little bit more difficult to install, but still not too difficult. And if you want to replace the entire latch, this one is a little bit easier to do. It's a complete unit, comes in both chrome and black. And then you have a choice of smoked lens over the LEDs. The LEDs will come in red, or we also make a dual color, which would be a red and an amber LED. These will function as red, run, and brake, and the dual color will have an amber turn. The single color red LEDs will also function as a red run, brake, and turn. So we're going to show you the smoked version in the dual color on the bike. So when we turn it on here, it'll light up red running. When we hit our turn signal, it's going to go to the amber turn. Turn signal off, go back to our red running. And when we hit our brake, we're going to go to our flashing brake because we have our magic strobe on here. So there is our brake. And back to our run. And also, we'll turn it back off here. We have our quick disconnects on here. So if we want to remove our saddlebag, it's very easy to take the saddlebag off here with our quick disconnect. And also lifetime warranty, as we have on all of our LEDs.